So this is how I passed one eval, blew an eval, and ran up $900 on a funded account in one day. So coming into the day, we came down into an hourly rejection block, which was here. Tapped the CE, well the CE was here, so we pretty much tapped it. We got an inverse out of that with good rejection up to an unfilled 5-minute gap. So I took that long on my eval, which passed that one of them because it was at 2.5k, the rest at 2. Anyway, so I passed that, and then we got this set up to these equal highs. So I took this, I activated the funded account. Obviously then the balance was at 0. And then risked 350 on this, got quite a good fill, longed, and then we ended up hitting full TP because I held for $900, which ended up taking me out at about $890. And then I locked out of that account, and then I ended up taking a loss on my other eval. So now that eval's at 1.5k, which was this loss here, which was just longs to equal highs. But it was kind of a shit setup, really. It didn't have the delivery I want. I was somewhat forcing a trade, but it is what it is. I've just got to learn from it and move on. So I've got one eval at 1.5k, and then one funded at $900 in profit. So yeah, all's good. Just going to continue risking 350 on that funded and copy trade in the eval to that, which should mean that once my funded account's at 2.5k, and once my fund is at 2.5k, I'll have passed that eval, and then I'll take a payout of, let's say, 1k, leave a 1.5k buffer, and then risk 250 on that account until I get to probably 3k, and then that other account will then be at 1.5k. Take out 1.5 from the account that's at 3k, and then I've got two accounts, both with the 1.5k buffer, after already taking out 2.5k, which is like £2,000 or £1,800 or something, 1,700, and then run up both the accounts. Once one of the accounts is at 4 payouts, obviously, yeah, we'll get rid. Well, once I've had 3 payouts with one account, I'll probably just risk quite heavy on it and go for the 2k max payout, and then I've maxed my return on investment, and then finish running up the other account, get like 4 payouts with it, then risk heavy, see what happens, and then scale up to 5. So I think 2 is more manageable than 3 anyway. I think I was pushing my luck with 3 accounts. So yeah, that's my plan. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll take out $1,000, and then a couple of weeks later take out 1.5k, and then a couple of weeks after that I'll take out like 2 to 2.5k, maybe 3k, with all the accounts. So hopefully that means in 6 weeks time I'll have taken out 2.5, about 5k in payouts in the next 6 weeks. So yeah, hopefully that's what happens, and then plus a couple more payouts. So we should be at about 7 payouts in the next 10 weeks or so. So in the next couple of months, 10k in payouts, so it'd be 5k a month roughly, which would be good. And then we scale up, and then that's when we hit our 10k month, hopefully in a few months time, maybe 4 months time or something. So yeah, that's my plan. I'll post my P&L at the end. I can't remember if I screenshot it or not, but I'll have to just screenshot the balance of my funded account. Actually, I think Lucid send you an email, don't they? So I'll screenshot my daily wire and put that up. overall, not really that good of a day. I mean, a good day in terms of P&L, but the setups that I took weren't exactly A+, so I need to kind of calm myself down on that. I'm going to put my max loss as 2R, and then just risk 350 a trade, 1-to-1, and see how we get on. So yeah.